Welcome back to iCanMod. That's right, we're back. Obviously there's going to be a few things that are a little bit weird here. I can already see the picture's a little bit off center, but whatever. This is me doing some testing and just giving you guys an update of what's happening. As I mentioned in the last video before July, well I think it was back in July now and we're in September, I have moved. So I've moved into a new property. I've got plenty of light now, you can see. We will have some other lights and stuff set up soon, but we're going to get back into recording and making videos for you guys. So a little bit of a longer delay than what I expected. Basically, when I did move, I had some issues with the move. The room wasn't what I expected it would be in terms of size and how I was going to set everything up. But also too, I had some equipment get damaged when we moved as well. So I've had to go out and get some more. So as you can see, I'm a little bit flustered and trying to get everything back up and running. Good news is my main setup and PC and everything's all up and running. So we've got all that good stuff going, and the computer I built before I moved survived the move, so that's good. As you can see, I have been working on a few things here and there. I'm actually currently rebuilding an iMac. I just need to replace the hard drive in that, and I'm doing some maintenance and cleaning and potentially some upgrades on that. Might make a video on it, might not. If you want me to, let me know, sound off in the comments. If you'd like to see a video of me pulling that apart and putting it back together and how to fix when it won't boot, I'm happy to do that. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere, bits and pieces, my USB fan when I get hot. This is also my office for my 9 to 5 job, so I've got a nice big lovely desk and I'm running multiple monitors and it's all good fun. There's boxes over there with stuff getting sorted, and yeah, so I've got a nice cupboard here that I can store stuff in as well now, so there's good storage in here compared to what we had. And in my garage I have built plenty of racks and stuff, so I've got everything sorted, all different cables and PC parts are all sort of labelled and nice and easy to find now, so that's good. So where are we going from here? Well, I need to perfect how this is all going to look. I don't necessarily like this setup. I'm just trialing a couple at the moment, and this is the best one I've found so far, so I thought I'd give you guys an update. So I'm trialing lighting, I'm trialing different angles and things like that with the space that I've got to work in. And now that I've got some more cables and more things that I can use, I'm looking to integrate this camera here, not only to film from a specific location, but also be able to use as a webcam as well, because I want to get back into live streaming. So I'm also looking at buying another camera so we can do some top-down shots when we're building. Looking at building a frame for that as well that will attach to this desk or this bench, so that will be cool. But other than that, it's been working on scripts and things like that. So we're going to get back into the What Is It series, I think, first. And we're going to take a look at motherboards. I've only got one spare motherboard at the moment, but it is a Z390 board, so it's fairly relevant. And the components and the way it's all laid out are, motherboards are fairly the same in terms of when we're going to talk about what they actually do and what they are. So we'll probably do that first and then carry on with that series. I've also got a build plan, well, 2 builds planned actually, because I now know that I need to build myself what's called a NAS, or a network attached storage device. And because I've got parts here, I think I want to build one so I can do it on the cheap, because that's what I'm all about, doing things on a budget rather than spending big bucks. And also I want to rebuild my old PC because I want to use that for just some background rendering and stuff, so I can just do all the main editing and then send it over there to render and stuff and not muck around. And also it gives me some more flexibility with some things that I want to do as well. Also, it'd be a good chance just to do a build video, a step-by-step build video for you guys, so that's the other reason why I want to do that. So some exciting projects coming up. Obviously they all require money. and the move has not been cheap, but we will get there soon. So yeah, that's pretty much the update from here at iCanMod. Make sure you guys check out, for our older viewers, if you like gaming videos, go out and check out 667 Gaming. That is my gaming clan or team that I do with Lockdown, my business partner in this as well. So we're revamping that at the moment. We've just got our new logo. It looks amazing. So we're getting that animated and sorted out at the moment so we can do videos with that. But go and check out the old content. I will give you an advisory. That channel is not for anyone under the age of 18, okay? We are very candid. We are very open with the language that we use. So kids, stay away from that channel. But if you're over the age of 18, or if your parents allow you to watch that kind of stuff, come over and check out 667 Gaming. I also want to give shout out to BuildswithV, who's a YouTuber as well, for some kind words when I mentioned to him that we've had some setbacks due to some damaged equipment, and also go and check out his new video. He started doing modifications to cases, which I'm actually going to look at doing as well. He did one to an NZXT case that I think I can do to the NZXT 500 case that I'm going to build in as well. So I'm going to do a little bit of a different mod, but similar concept to allow more airflow into the case, which is going to be cool. So shout out to you, BuildswithV. And other than that, we'll be back this week, I would say, or next week with the next installment of the What Is It series, which will be motherboards at this point, I believe. But we've got motherboards, we've got RAM, we've got GPUs to do, we've got storage devices, fans, cases, all that lovely stuff. So there's plenty of things we can talk about. And we'll get them up as quickly as we can. So thank you for your support so far. Thank you for sticking with us, for those subscribers that have stayed around. Do appreciate it. And we look forward to growing this community. But if there's anything you want to see first, as I said before, please just throw that up in the comments. Or if there's anything that questions you're dying to ask us, you can ask them on YouTube. I would recommend, if you have any specific questions, we've had a couple of people ask some troubleshooting questions. Please ask them on our Instagram so you can send photos to us if we need to. More than happy to look at that and help you guys out with those. So from us here at iCanMod, as we always say, keep building, keep learning, and we'll have more content up for you soon.